Welcome to the recorded demo video of the Jharkhand Integrated Public Grievance Redressal System for State JSK. In this video, we will introduce you to the system's features and guide you through its key functions. To begin, visit the official e-Government portal. On the system interface, locate and click the Admin Login option. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will appear. Select the Grievance module from the available options. Once selected, you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username and password in the corresponding fields, then click the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the State JSK Dashboard. The State JSK Dashboard provides an overview of grievance summaries and options for related actions on the home page, including grievances received, grievances resolved, grievances pending, grievances rejected. To register a grievance, select the Grievance Entry option on the dashboard. Upon selecting Grievance Entry, you'll be taken to the Grievance Registration form. The Grievance Registration form requires the following details. First, select the ULB from the drop-down menu. Next, for grievance information, enter the details of the grievance in the grievance description field. To enable faster tracking and resolution, check the relevant checkbox to add more information, then enter the following details: grievance location, source type, module, consumer number, application number, grievance subtype, priority, target type, grievance documents. After grievance information, fill in your basic details, including full name, mobile number. To add more information, check the relevant checkbox and provide the following details: email, ward, area, holding number, SAF number, consumer number. If the issue is related to a financial transaction, check the corresponding checkbox to include financial information. After completing the grievance registration form, click the Submit button for final submission. Upon successful submission, a confirmation message will appear, displaying the generated grievance number. To view the registered grievance details, select the View Grievance Details option. Select the Search Grievance option on the dashboard to retrieve the desired grievance list or a specific grievance. Upon selecting the Grievance option, a list of recent complaints will be displayed. Here, the user can filter the desired grievance or grievance list by filling in the relevant criteria. Select your desired grievance and click on the View option to see its complete details. The complete grievance details will be displayed along with its current status. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.